Okay, hi students. Today we will do multiply two matrices. Yeah, we'll multiply two matrices, and this one you have to pay attention. This is very important because it's very different from the previous lesson. Previous lesson you just multiply a matrix with a number. That is very easy. Yeah, a b c d. If you times with 2, you'll get 2a, 2b, 2c, 2d. Yeah, this is very straightforward. But to multiply a matrix, yeah, two matrix, there is a technique that you must master. Okay, so we start now. Yeah. Okay, how to multiply two matrices. Before that, let's see first. Yeah, in a normal calculation, if it's not in matrix form, it's like this. Okay, let's say you have this information about the fan. Yeah, about the fan, stand, ceiling, and wall. In store, this one is in store. This one is online. Yeah, and then the commission is given for each unit that is being sold. For stand fan it's 25, for ceiling fan it's 30, and for wall fan it's 20. So if you want to calculate the total commission, so mathematically you will do like this. We are still not using the matrix method, still the normal one. So what do you do? This one you times with 25 because this is for stand fan. Stand fan. And then for ceiling you times with 30. This one, right? So for wall you times 20. So this is for in-store, and for online it's the same thing you do. You just times the commission respectively. So what you'll get for in-store, the total commission for in-store sales, you'll get this one. Yeah, 1160. For online sales, the commission you got is 505. So this is very straightforward without using the matrix method. So if you want to use matrix, so how? Here comes when you multiply through two matrices. Yeah. So okay, now let's do it in matrix form. Yeah. For the fans, this is the matrix. Yeah. In-store and online. And for the commission, the matrix is like this. Yeah. For the commission. So if you want to calculate the total commission, yeah. So what do? You just times, times these two matrix. Yeah. So what you do is this one, right? You just times it. So how to do this? How to times these two matrices? Okay, if you remember the previous slide, what we do is we will times, right, the sales for in-store, for the fan, yeah, for the stand fan 16, this 16 we will times with 25, right? And then we plus, we plus this 18 we times with 30, this 18 we times with 30, and then we plus 11 we times with 20, right? This is for install. Is it install? Yeah. Okay. So for the other one, the online, this 5, you times with the commission 25. Then you plus this 10, you times with the commission 30. Then you plus 4, you times with 20, the commission. This is actually the online commission. Okay, so what do you get? This one you can make it into matrix. You make that bracket, it will become matrix already. So the answer is, you add everything. Yeah, you add everything here. You times first and you add. You'll get 1160. And that is for install commission. And then this one, you total, you'll get 505. And this is for the online. So the total commission you'll get is 1060 for install, and then 505 for online. You still get the same answer like the one we calculated just now, right? So this is how you use matrix, yeah, in our daily life. But I just want to, before I give you the rules, yeah, how to times the matrix, you can see from here, right? You can see from here how you times. There is one thing you have to be aware, this one, the plus. If you times the matrix, you will need to add. When do you need to add? We'll see in the next slide. But just for you to keep in your mind, there are certain matrices can be multiplied, certain cannot. So we check the order first. For this one, 16, 18, 11, 5, 10, 4. Okay, you times with 25, 30, 20. Okay, we write the order. This order is 2 by, okay, I write it here. It is 2 by 1, 2, 3, 3 column, 2 by 3. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 3 by 1. Yeah, the column is only 1. So what do you get your answer? Your answer is 1160, 505. And what's the order? The order is 1, 2, 2 by 1 column, 2 by 1. Okay, so now let's see. Do you see this one? When you times, it will become this one. Okay. What do you see? You see, you can times the matrix when the column and the row is the same. And then the answer will be this one, 2 by 1. Yeah. Okay. Maybe this one you are not very familiar yet. We'll see general form. General form. In general, to multiply two matrices A and B, the number of columns in matrix A must be the same with the number of rows in matrix B. You see? Column and rows must be the same for the matrix. The number of rows in matrix A and the column will become the order of the product. So what does it mean? This one. First, the what? The column of matrix A. This one, the column of matrix A, must be the same with the row of matrix B. Must be the same. And the order of the product of the matrix, must be, this is the product, must be the one, this one like you cancel is this one, M times P, this one, not times, by, M by P. Okay, do you see that? The same with our matrix just now. If you can recall, if you can recall, just now the matrix is 2 by 3. We times with matrix 3 by 1. And what do you get? The product. The product is this one. You like cancel, so you'll get 2 by 1. Right? So this is the formula. This is the formula. That's the rules. Okay. So if you have matrix like 2 by 4, and then you want to multiply with matrix 2 by, let's say 2 by 4 also, you cannot do it. You cannot do it because this one is not the same. So you cannot do it. You will not get any matrix here. You cannot multiply. So if matrix A has the order of M by 2 and matrix B N by P, then the multiplication AB can be performed. Can be performed. Why? Because you have the same here, the column and the row for the other matrix. The order of AB will be M by P. Okay. So you better be careful with the order of the matrices before you multiply. Okay. We'll look at one example. Okay. Okay, let's see example 15. Example 15. It is given that matrix C is 8, 3, and matrix D is 1, 2, -2, and 5. So determine whether the multiplication of CD, CD and DC, and DC can be performed or not. If yes, state the order of the product. Okay. Okay, let's see. For C, matrix C, we look at the order first. The order is 2 by 1. And then for D, it's 2 by 2. So we look at the center here. It's not the same. The column of matrix C and the row for matrix D is not the same. So you cannot perform the multiplication of CD cannot be performed. Why? Because the column of matrix C is not the same with the row of matrix D. Okay, what about CD? CD, D, the order of D is 2 by 1, and the order of C is 2 by 2. Is the order of matrix D is 2 by 2. The order of matrix C is 2 by 1. So what do you notice here? The column and the column of matrix D is the same as the row of matrix C. That means this matrix can be performed. Yeah, multiplication of matrix DC can be performed because what I've said just now, the column of matrix D is the same as the row of matrix C, and the order is this one, 2 by 1. The order is 2 by 1. So that's the answer. Okay, let's multiply two matrices. 1, 2, 3, 4. We multiply with 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so before we multiply the matrix, we write the order first. Yeah, the order is this is 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So the product, the order of the product of the matrix will be, this one is the same, right? The column and the row. So the product will be 2 by 2. Okay, so that is we predict it to be like this lah. 2 by 2. Okay, I erase this one. Okay, what I do is, the first step is I will write back the first matrix. Make it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I make one line here. I make like a table, yeah. Okay. Okay. So what I do, this number 1, this one I will times with 5. 1 times 5. Then I will plus, yeah, I will plus. Remember before that when we multiply a matrix, we need to plus, yeah, the respective element. And then 2 you times with 7. Like that. And then the next one will be, if I erase this one, if I erase this arrow, okay, the next one will be what? Next one will be 1 you times with 6, yeah, 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8, 2 times 8. Okay. So the next one will be 3 times 5, 3 times 5 plus 4 times 7, 4 times 7. That is one set, yeah. Then the next one will be 3 times 6, 3 times 6 plus 4 times 8, 4 times 8. And then you add that one, you'll get what? What do you get? 5 plus 14, this one, 5 plus 14 will be 19. Will be 19. And then this one, 6 plus 16 will be 22. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 28. 15 plus 28 will be 40, 43. Is it correct? 43? Yes, 43. And then this one, 18 plus 32 will be 50. This is 50. So the answer for the matrix is, yes, this one, 19, 22, 43, 50. Yeah. Do you see that? I hope you can follow. Yeah. If cannot, you just rewind. Okay. Rewind, replay, or you pause. Okay. Okay. Let's see example 17. You are given matrix E, this one, matrix F, and matrix G. Yeah? So we need to calculate GE. Yeah? Matrix G times with matrix E. So we write matrix G first. 4, 3 times with 5, -1, 0, -4, 8, and 7. Yeah. So what we do, I will make one line here, one line here. I write back this one. 4, 3. Sorry. 4, 3. Okay. And then what we do is make another line here. Okay. So what you get is you have to fill these three space, yeah. And before that, let's see let's predict the product. This is 1 by 2. This is 2 by 3. Yeah? By 3. So, of course, you can multiply because they have the same column and row. And the product will be 1 by 3. Yeah? 1 by 3. So, it's correct lah. This matrix is 1 by 3. Okay, let's do it. So what you do first is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 plus 3 times -4. Correct? Okay, then next is I think I better clear this one first. Huh? We will disturb your view. Your view. Okay. This one already done, huh, just now. Okay, next is 4 times -1. 4 times -1 plus 3 times 8. 3 times 8. Okay, so next will be 4 times 0. 4 times 0 plus 3 times 7. 3 times 7. Right? So, you have completed the multiplication. Just write the answer. The answer will be this one, 20. 20 minus you'll get 8. And then -4 plus 24, you'll get 20. And then 0 plus 21, you'll get 21. So the answer is, yeah, 8, 20, 21. So it's correct, huh? We'll get the 1 by 3 matrix. Okay. Okay, next we go to FG, F times G. So your F is, I think better use white color. Your F is FG, FG. Your F is -7 and -2, 7 times with your G is 4, 3. Okay, 4, 3. You want to predict? This is 2 by 1. You times with 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So of course you will be able to multiply and you will get 2 by 2. So this type of matrix that you will get, this one, yeah. Okay, now erase back this one. What I do is I make the line first here. I write back the matrix -7, 2, 7 with this one. Okay, and then I make this table, right? So this is the matrix. This is the matrix that you get, Okay, we start. So the first one is -2 times -2 times 4. Enough. That's it, huh? Okay, only one set only. Okay, then -2 times 3. -2 times 3. And then this one, that is also one set. Okay, next is 7 times 4. And then next is 7 times 3. Okay, so what do you get? You'll get negative, this is -8, -6, 28 and 21. So it is actually, the answer is -8, -6, 28, 21. See, this is the matrix that we predict just now, and it is correct, 2 by 2. Yeah. Okay, we go to C. GF. GF. Your G is 4, 3. Your times with F is -2, 7. -2, 7. So what you do is you make one line here. This one you write back 4, 3, and this one just make the table. So what do you do? Your answer is what? Can you predict? This one is 1 by 2. This one is 2 by 1. So you'll get matrix 1 by 1. Matrix 1 by 1 is only one number here. Yeah, one number, 1 by 1. So this is the answer. Only one answer here. So we start 4 times -7, -2, we plus, because this is one set, right? One set. 3 times 7. So what do you get? You get -8 plus 21, yeah? Plus 21. You'll get 13, yes. You'll get 13. So answer is 13 here. So the matrix is 13. So what do you think of the method? This table form. It's very organized, yeah? And I hope you can follow just now.